Yes, as you can tell, my battery is running out, but we have Angry Birds. I'd like to thank Mr Birkett for this one. Basically, what we got here is Angry Birds Kinder Egg. Yes, I know it's like just milk chocolate, I think. Yep, it's got the speed bird on the front. Unfortunately, I'm running out of battery, so I'm gonna have to open this up really quickly. Ooh, bit of chocolate. It's good chocolate. Right. Let's see what's in the egg. Oh, fuck's sake. I've already got one of these. It's a pencil topper. It's a little one of these. But yeah, the chocolate's not bad. I mean, you got it on the duty free. Coming back from Iceland. It's in an ice cube. It's brilliant. I like it. Well, thank John for that. Yeah, I do apologise if I won't be able to do any videos in the next couple of weeks. Recently just started a new job, so getting into that. Been on the job hunt and stuff, so good chocolate. Anyway, a short video, sweet and short and sweet. Oh, chocolate. Ooh. See ya. Goodbye.